Watch this live. Thank you so much for your wonderful participation. Well, as you all know that this is the Eye Glow Day. Well, Eye Glow is my glow. So that is what exactly the inference of Eye Glow is. Well, as you all know that this is a COVID-19 season, which is a very important thing. So the COVID-19 season, so far it is concerned, we are using a lot of, the sanitizers, the masks, the PPEs, the goggles, people are using all such things actually. So because of which there are a lot of dry skin issues which are caused. So dry skin issues in the sense like the erythema, the papules, the maceration, the scaling of the skin. So these are some of the issues which are happening to people on a regular basis actually. This is what is exactly called as the dry skin issues which are caused by the synthetic sanitizers. The use of protective hats and accompanying occlusions that we have will lead to a lot of pruritus. Pruritus is nothing but itching, and folliculitis and even dermatitis can be caused because of these things, my dear friends. In fact, the long-term use of these protective gloves will also lead to hyperhydration issues, which means that you will have a lot of sweat also sometimes. See, some people can have dry skin issues. At the same point of time, some people can also have hyperhydration, which means that excessive water content will be formed in the hands wherever the gloves or even the sanitizers are used on a regular basis. This can actually cause a lot of skin issues, leading to the wrinkling of the skin, as well as other kind of skin disorders can also happen. This is how the COVID-19, the situation is actually related to our skin health also. But as a routine, I always like to tell you all that the government has made the mandatory rules that we need to use these protective gears, which includes the sanitizers, the gloves or the masks or whatever it is. So we have to use them inevitably, but at the same point of time, we have to take care of our skin health also. This is one important thing that this particular, the Eye Glow is also of importance, because this is one of the wonderful, awesome skin health products which is going to condition your skin from inside and makes your skin glow outside. This is what exactly Eye Glow can do, my dear friends. So, as you all know that Eye Glow is first of its kind product, consumable product in India, which is specifically designed to condition your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. Well, most of the people do have a question about the why the Eye Glow doesn't have a trademark. That is one of the questions that normally people ask. From the next packaging onwards, we will be putting the trademark on the Eye Glow, because the trademark of the Eye Glow is there with us right now. So we will be able to put the trademark of Eye Glow as well. So the trademark attorneys which we have in the southern part of India, they have approved the trademarks for Eye Glow. And from the next packaging onwards, each and every Eye Glow sachet or as well as a box of Eye Glow will have the trademarks. So definitely you don't have to worry about that, friends. It will happen in the next set of packaging. So going ahead, as you all know that Eye Glow is first of its kind product in India, which is specifically designed to condition the beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. This is what Eye Glow is actually going to do. In fact, the concept of beauty is not something which is very new to India. It is a very, very old concept. So when you browse through the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5000 years, a lot of beauty related and cosmetic related informations can be found in the textbooks of Ayurveda. Not only this, there are a lot of medicinal plants and botanical extracts which have been mentioned in the textbooks of Ayurveda, which are responsible for enhancing one's beauty. Well, even in the olden times, beauty was actually defined like this. Beauty is not something which is seen externally, my dear friends. Beauty is something which is seen when the skin health is maintained properly. So when the skin health is maintained properly, definitely it is called as a beautified skin, or the particular thing is called as beautiful. This is what exactly the ancient Ayurveda talks about beauty, my dear friends. Taking the same secrets from ancient Ayurveda, we have formulated this wonderful product called as Eye Glow, which is made palatable. Even though it has a lot of bitter herbal ingredients in it, the product is actually made palatable because of using of the modern innovative technologies and all. We have tried to make a product which is absolutely innovative and highly palatable. This is one of the important things. So, beauty is that which is something beneath and beyond the skin. That is what we exactly called as beauty. And beneath and beyond the skin in the sense, whenever your tissues, your blood, your organs and the systems are beautiful, automatically a person is said to be beautiful. So the skin health is always a very important thing, because skin itself is the largest organ of the human body, and whenever you take correct care of the skin, automatically the other organs and tissues inside the body will be taken care of. This is what is exactly called as beauty, my dear friends, and that is the reason why eye glow is actually considered as one of the important internal cosmetic products. So going ahead, my dear friends, as you all know that eye glow is also coming under a segment called as Nutri Cosmetics. We call this as Nutri Cosmetics, my dear friends. See, what exactly happens is whenever we add the nutrition instead of nutrition along with the herbal ingredients, we call this formulation as Nutri Cosmetics. So that is what is exactly called as Nutri Cosmetics. Whereas Nutri Cosmetics are related to various segments in the cosmetic care. It is related to the hair care, it is related to the nail care, it is also related to the skin care as well as the teeth care as well. So, but in Indus Viva, so far as eye glow is concerned, this is a product which is specifically made for skin care related issues, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as eye glow. And in fact, after this COVID-19 eruption has happened across the globe, people have started to use all these masks as well as the sanitizers which are most synthetic in nature. Skin health has become an issue these days. Nowadays, even the dermatologists across the globe, now they are thinking about the long-term effects of using these protective gears during the COVID-19 crisis. These can have a long-term effects on the human body, especially on the skin. This is what most of the dermatologists are worried about. Well, again, you have the cosmetics with you. There are a lot of topical cosmetics that the people are using. It might be the powder, it might be the paste, it might be the powder, it might be the paste. It also might be any kind of a cream, ointment, anything. So all such things can definitely cause a lot of issues to the human body because they are not 100% natural or organic. There are a lot of chemicals, hazardous substances which are used in these topical cosmetics which can further aggravate the conditions which are caused during this COVID-19 conditions. That is the reason why nowadays the dermatologists are actually thinking about discovering or innovating the products which are called as internal cosmetics, which you consume internally, which will detoxify your liver, which will purify your blood, so automatically it will help in maintaining the skin health. This is what exactly is called as the internal cosmetics or the Nutri Cosmetics, my dear friends. So, and even in India, it is now projected that by 2024 there will be a peak in the market of Nutri Cosmetics in India. Most of the companies are trying to plan it actually because they have now understood the hazardous implications of the topical cosmetics, and now they are thinking that Nutri Cosmetics is a way ahead. So this is the way that we have to go ahead, so that when you condition your body from inside, you automatically make the body to glow from outside. This is what is exactly called as Nutri Cosmetic market, my dear friends. So not only this, as I told you, Nutri Cosmetics is nothing but beauty starts beneath the surface of the skin. Beauty is not that which is seen on the surface of the skin. Beauty is that which is beneath and beyond the skin. So whenever your structures inside the body, it might be the blood vessels, it might be the tissues, when they are healthy, automatically the human skin will also remain healthy. This is what is exactly called as Nutri Cosmetics. It is one of the latest trend in the beauty industry across the world, my dear friends. We also call this as the internal cosmetic industry. So not only this, see, Nutri Cosmetics also includes a lot of ingredients which are called as specialty ingredients. Normally the ingredients which go into the Nutri Cosmetic products, they are called as specialty ingredients. They are not normal ingredients, my dear friends. They are actually called as premium or specialty ingredients, which means that they are special by nature. They are premium by nature. That is the reason why the most important specialty ingredient, the most premium ingredient that we are using in our product is nothing but the saffron. The saffron or kesar is actually considered as the most premium ingredient in our product Eye Glow. So, as you all know that we are sourcing this saffron from the Kashmir Valley, which is considered to be one of the best available sources of saffron in the whole world. So this is also given a geographical indication tag. We call this as a GI tag by the government of India, which is actually explaining its premium quality, and most of the people across the world, they try to import this Kashmir saffron, and we are blessed enough to get this wonderful Kashmir saffron into our product Eye Glow, my dear friends. That is the reason why it is considered as one of the best available sources of saffron in the whole world. It is the most expensive spice which is available in the world. This is what is called as saffron. Saffron is not known to us from today or yesterday, my dear friends. Saffron is actually known to us from the period of Ayurveda dating back to 5000 years old. You see how the technology, even though it was very primitive those days, the people had understood saffron was a purple color flower, and the stigmas or the threads which are present inside these flowers are of medicinal use. This was found out 5000 years back, and they had found out that these threads of saffron are very important as a beautifying as well as a cosmetic ingredient, my dear friends. This was found out 5000 years back in the textbooks of Ayurveda. So this saffron is a wonderful antibacterial and an anti-inflammatory substance which is important for managing the acne or pimples as well as the skin breakouts. So it is also having healing properties which can hasten the process of skin recovery, which means that whenever the skin is impaired, whenever there are ruptures on the skin, whenever a skin undergoes wear and tear, this is when saffron plays a very important role in order to rejuvenate the whole skin across the body. So not only this, saffron, along with saffron, our product also contains one of the most innovative ingredients that we have used, called as the natural plant collagen. We have used the natural plant collagen. We are not using the animal sources of collagen, my dear friends. We are using the natural plant collagen, which is derived from various vegetables, various fruits like the berries, as well as leaves of the plants. What it normally does is, collagen is called as a beauty protein. Beauty protein in the sense, collagen will not enhance your color or the glow. Collagen will keep your skin tight. Whenever the person ages, every birthday that you have, your skin actually becomes loose because your collagen structure inside the body will vary, because of which the skin actually becomes loose. This is the main reason why we have tried to add this very innovative ingredient called as natural plant collagen inside the product, which will actually enhance the actual natural collagen which is present in your body, so that it helps in tightening of the human skin. This is what collagen normally does, my dear friends. Not only this, collagen is also responsible for the diminishing or decreasing the dark spots which are present on the skin as well. So apart from this, we also have a wonderful ingredient called as the grape seed extract. Everybody knows how the grapefruits look like. So we are using the grape seed extract as well as the skin of the fruit, which contains a wonderful antioxidant called as resveratrol. Resveratrol is one of the best antioxidants which is available on the planet. So resveratrol is not only good for the whole body but also for the skin. Resveratrol is normally required for hydrating your skin. Normally what happens, whenever you are sitting in an AC chamber or whenever you are exposed to the heat a lot, normally your skin becomes dry. The moisture content, the water content inside your skin becomes very less, because of which the skin becomes dry, my dear friends. So that is the reason why whenever you are taking in this eye glow on a regular basis, automatically the moisturization or the water balance inside the skin will be maintained, because of which effective hydration of the skin will happen, which will give you a healthier as well as a radiant complexion. This is what exactly the grapeseed extract is going to do. Along with this, our product also contains a wonderful ingredient called as the kojic acid. So kojic acid is a natural acid. It is not something like a sulfuric acid or a hydrochloric acid which will burn your skin. No. So kojic acid is a natural acid which is derived from the seaweeds. We normally derive it from the seaweeds, the aquatic plants which are growing inside the sea waters. This particular kojic acid is very important for protecting the skin against the sun damage. That is how the kojic acid helps you out. So licorice extract is also present in our plant, which is very important for protecting the skin or lightening the skin as well as protecting it from the dark spots. That is what this particular licorice extract is going to do. This licorice is actually called as mulethi in Hindi. Normally they call it as mulethi in Hindi. It is also called as atimaduram in Tamil and Malayalam. We also call it as jeshtamadu in Kannada. In Hindi it is called as mulethi. So in Telugu also it is called as atimaduram. So this particular root is also called as a sweet root, which will actually help in draining out the excess oil which is present in the skin. See, dryness of the skin is also a dangerous condition. At the same point of time, oiliness of the skin is also a dangerous condition. Excess oil in the skin will also lead to lot of problems. See, initially that is the reason why most of the distributors who are asking the questions here, sir, after taking the eye glow, some of the pimples crept up. Some of the pimples started coming. Why is this? The answer for this is pretty simple. In such people, the oiliness of the skin was too much before itself. That is the reason why this eye glow, whenever you are taking this inside, the oiliness of the skin will decrease slowly. So initially it will not decrease. It will take some time for the excess oil to get decreased. At the same point of time, your skin should have optimum oil. So eye glow is a product which will maintain the optimum oil of the skin and remove the excess oil of the skin. That is the reason why for some time the pimple starts to develop until that excess oil is removed from the skin, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So it also contains a wonderful ingredient called as the lutein extract, which is derived from the marigold flowers, which effectively hydrates the skin and maintains the elasticity of the skin. That is also very important. Your skin should not be something like it should not be like a rock. It should be elastic in nature. I think everybody has seen how an elastic works. Your skin should also be elastic in nature. Whenever it is elastic in nature, automatically the skin health will be maintained and no other diseases or problems of skin will creep up. So it also contains the natural coenzyme Q10. So this natural coenzyme Q10 is a thing which will provide the skin energy. The energized skin will always give you a young look and a feel. This is how the naturalness of the product is maintained. The other important ingredient which is present in the product is called as the banana peel as well as the banana skin extract. This is also there in the product actually. So whenever you have a chance to look at the eye glow packaging, please do have a look at the ingredients there. So in the ingredients you can actually find out the banana which is mentioned there, which is known by the botanical name called as Musa paradisiaca. So they are called as Musa paradisiaca. So it is loaded with potassium. It is a natural exfoliator. This is very important. Potassium on the skin means moisture. It is not the potassium which will increase inside your body. Potassium will always increase the moisture on the skin, my dear friends. It will naturally exfoliate your skin. Normally what happens that your skin cells also have a lifespan. Normally the dead skin cells have to be removed now and then. We call this process as exfoliation or removing the debris of the skin. The debris has to be removed. That only then the youthfulness of the skin will return back, the health of the skin will return back, my dear friends. This particular banana peel extract is also helping you out in exfoliating the skin. Not only this, it also helps in treating the dark spots which happen on the skin. It destroys the bacteria which is present on the skin by its wonderful antibacterial property, and along with that it is packed with vitamins. It has a lot of vitamin like vitamin A, B, C and D, which are very much responsible for fighting the premature wrinkles, dry skin and excess oil also. So this particular banana peel is also a kind of a beautified or beauty ingredient or an internal cosmetic ingredient, my dear friends. So going ahead, there are a lot of other benefits of the banana peel as well, skin as well. It is a skin moisturizer which will effectively moisturize your skin, maintaining the water balance in your skin, by which it will not allow the skin to become dry. It also has excess oil controlling property. This also does excess oil controlling, where it exfoliates the skin, by which excess oil is also removed from the skin surface. Banana peel also has anti-aging properties, which means that it has a high level of antioxidants and it can prevent the fine lines and wrinkles which happen on the skin. And it is also helpful for managing the acne or the pimples, because it has a lot of nutrition within this, my dear friends. So coming back to the benefits of eye glow, people should know that it is a wonderful skin lightening product, anti-aging product, anti-wrinkle product, skin moisturizing product, dark spot reduction. It is a very good blemish control product. It increases your radiant complexion. It helps in skin damage control, skin rejuvenation, which means that it is a holistic skin health support. It helps manage your skin problems from head till the toe. This is what is called as holistic skin health support. It is a wonderful liver detox, which means that it detoxifies the liver, it purifies your blood. Whenever the purified blood is circulating all across your body, automatically the skin health will be kept upright. This is what is the most important thing about eye glow, my dear friends. As a general rule, eye glow is suitable for all the skin types, that is the dry skin, oily skin or the mixed skin. It is also suitable for all the tones of the skin, basically the dark tone, the light tone as well as the mixed tone. It is suitable for men, women as well as kids. For effective results, I would suggest you to use 1 sachet of eye glow in the morning, 15 minutes after the breakfast, and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the dinner. It should not be taken before food, my dear friends. It will not have the beneficial effects. If it is taken 15 minutes after the food, the absorption as well as the metabolism of the product will be enhanced, because of which more health benefits will be obtained. So for children, it is very important to give this only after 6 years of age, not below 6 years of age. It will not be such a beneficial product. It can be used along with any other medications or cosmetic for longer duration safely without worrying much about the side effects or the adverse effects, my dear friends. I hope you have got the knowledge of the ingredients in the product as well as how to use the product in various skin conditions, my dear friends. So with this, I would like to end this short topic of eye glow. So now this is question answer time. So let me start with the questions now. So today my colleague Dr. Vinil has collected the questions for me. So the first question of the day that I am taking here is by Mr. Kota Srinivasa Rao. Sir, I have given eye glow to a 15-year-old girl and she feel pimples decrease but turning black of the skin and pimples got back. Please suggest the dosage and recommend any other soap. So Mr. Srinivasa Rao, if you are watching this, see what you need to do is, you need to give her one eye glow sachet only in the night, 15 minutes after the dinner. Don't give it in the morning times. There is no need of any changing of the soaps or anything. Definitely the problems will reduce. As I told you, pimples can flare up when the skin is too much oily. First of all, eye glow will reduce that excess oil and then the skin health can be maintained. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Pradeep Sharma. If you are watching this, how much mg of saffron is there in each pouch? Very good question, Mr. Pradeep Sharma. The saffron is actually added in two different ways in the product. The first product, so the first type is a saffron extract which goes inside the product, which will be in milligrams dose. The second thing is the saffron thread which goes into the product. Maximum of 2 to 3 threads are available inside the pack. So both the extract of the saffron as well as the threads of the saffron are present in this product. Wonderful product, eye glow, my dear friend. So it is in thread is nothing but one small thread, so which is around about 2 to 3 small threads, whereas the extract is in the milligram forms. This is how it is added. Even though the extract is in milligram form, it is always the effect of the extract is too high, because extracts are always added in milligrams, but its efficacy and safety is too high, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Miss Alia Sultana. Can recurrent fungal infections be treated with eye glow? And can a 3-year-old be given eye glow? No. Eye glow should be given above 6 years of age. But for general fungal infections in above 6 years of age, I would suggest you to use eye pulse and eye glow in combination, which will provide you the best result. So the next question is by Mr. Ajay Kumar. Sir, for leukoderma, can we suggest eye glow or eye pulse? As you have told, I would suggest a combination of eye pulse and eye glow both in this condition. Eye pulse must be 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before food. Eye glow must be 1 sachet in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the dinner. This is how you have to consume eye glow. So the next question is by Mr. Shivashri. On the upper eyelid, white dots have come. Is it due to psoriasis, and which product can be suggested? I would suggest you, Ms. Shivashri, if you are watching this, I would suggest you a combination of eye pulse and eye glow both in this condition. Pulse will be 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food, whereas eye glow will be 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the food. This is how you need to follow this. The next question is by Ms. Rehana. If you are watching this, a guy having fibromyalgia type 1 have suggested eye glow and eye pulse. Please tell how to consume. So you can definitely ask him to consume 30 ml of eye pulse in the morning, half an hour before the breakfast, and 30 ml eye pulse in the night, half an hour before the dinner. And eye glow will be 1 sachet in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after dinner. I hope the point is clear to you, Ms. Rehana. So now I'll take up the next week's questions now. So the first question is, I think most of the people have asked about the trademark. I have cleared you that. From the next, the packaging onwards, the TM as well as the trademark number we already have with us. If someone is interested to know about the trademark number of eye glow, you can send us a mail at doctor@indusviva.com. We will provide you the trademark details as well as the number for this product eye glow. The trademark number also we will provide. You can send us a mail at doctor@indusviva.com. We will be happy to help on the trademark issue. Thank you very much for that. So the next question that I am seeing here is how to support psoriasis from Mr. Raja Kings. Mr. Raja Kings, if you are seeing this, well, as I told you, psoriasis is an autoimmune disease, which is a recurring disease. I would suggest you a combination of both eye pulse and eye glow in this condition. Eye pulse will be 30 ml 2 times, half an hour after the food, but iGlow will be 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the food. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Milind Binde. If you are watching this, my question is, can we give iGlow to psoriasis patients directly or with iPulse? I hope the same question, the last question holds good for here as well. And how much time to be taken for good skin for a normal person? See, the first part of the question, definitely iPulse has to be given 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after the food for all psoriasis and autoimmune diseases. iGlow will be 15 minutes after the food again. So first product will be iPulse, then immediately you can consume iGlow also. That is how it has to be done. So in case of normal individuals, iGlow can be given for a minimum period of 3 months at least at a dose of 1 sachet in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the dinner. This is how iGlow has to be given. So the next question that I am seeing here, can iGlow be used by heart patients? Definitely, if they have any kind of skin issues or if they have any kind of skin health, I would like to tell you one thing, dear friends, here. iGlow does not contain any added sugar contents. You can definitely use it. Even Mr. Mohammad Qadir, who is asking me this question, you can definitely use this, and you can use it twice a day as well. So 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, half an hour after the food. So the next question, can diabetic patients use iGlow? This is by Mr. Sham. Yes, as I told you, iGlow does not contain added sucrose or sugar content. You can definitely use it 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, 15 minutes after the food, but please don't use it before the food. So the next question is by Ms. Sucharita. If you are watching this, iGlow can be used for skin pigmentation. Well, iGlow has wonderful ingredients like licorice, the kojic acid. All these ingredients are mainly meant for the pigmentation issues. You can definitely use it in such conditions, 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, 15 minutes after the food, in combination with iPulse would be still better. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Sainath Reddy. So we are consuming iGlow sachet, 1 sachet a day, which time is best, morning or night? Suppose if you are consuming 1 sachet in the day, in a day, it is always better to consume it in the mornings. That is 15 minutes after the breakfast is always a better time to consume this wonderful product, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So don't worry, Vivites, if your questions are left unanswered, we will be happy to answer it the next Thursday. There is a link which is appearing at the chat box. You can click the chat box and send your questions so that my team will be able to answer that. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So thank you so much, Vivites, for your wholehearted participation. We really appreciate your participation in this wonderful Facebook live series, which is broadcasted on a regular basis. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk at the Corporate Office of Indus Viva Health Sciences, Bangalore. Have a nice day ahead.